So what's going on here in front of me is NIO. And if you take a look at the bigger picture, now first of all, NIO has delivered about 3,600 cars um, within the last quarter, which was a pretty low number. And for that reason, probably a lot of people jumped off of the trend of NIO, which means even though we had such a low number, the market, as we can see, started to rally the last couple of days. So now here we are, or we will today, most likely here, come to this triangle and retest this area. Now, at the same time, if we form this smaller pattern here, you can see that we broke out of this downtrend which formed higher lows, and now here we saw a breakout with this candlestick, and now we are here consolidating a little bit. So if we quickly get rid of all those nonsense. Now the pre-market today as well jumped higher, so we are here at around 42. And on the 4-hour chart, if we manage to see a cross here, the same as we did here, would indicate a change of trend. And if we target the trend line here, we could see a move like here, and where we retest this trend line after the crossover, and this is where I would be a buyer. This could likely be after a breakout here. If we just quickly draw this triangle, so after it could happen before or after getting higher and then kind of retest to this area, but nonetheless here is, we could also see a breakout and then a retest, but it is that I'm looking for a buy here at the trend line, and target is for the shorter term 55, and the next couple of weeks and months everything above 66. So here we had this breakout, this massive huge candlestick. Now we are consolidating a little bit, but it looks to me that we will go higher here. The 1-hour chart, so here we had the cross and now we retested the 200 EMA. So if we see another pullback somewhere around here, so this area here is where I would be a buyer, and my stop loss would, depending how aggressive you want your stop loss to be, this one would be maybe a little bit bigger stop when you for shorting position. So it could be something like this, or you simply put it at this support line here, doesn't really matter. But the target for NIO is for the next couple of months a pretty big number after 65.